Hi guys, welcome back to the Cake Squad, and today you can tell I'm kind of making some slime. So, I have some of this like Suntide or whatever, not Suntide, and I have some Elmer's glue in the bowl, and a mixing bowl. You can use anything, I'm just using this. And I'm using some lotion and some food coloring, or not food coloring, but this is washable coloring. So, let's get started. Okay, so I'm getting a blue slime. So go ahead and pour in the glue. Okay, that's probably good. Okay, it sounds good. And now I'm gonna pour in the coloring. Okay. I'm gonna pour in some food coloring, or not food coloring, but whatever this is. I don't know. Okay, and mix this up. See what. Okay, go for us. I'm gonna need to make doing that because this is what the laundry detergent is in. So yeah. Okay, so it's mixed in pretty good. I'm gonna go ahead and add in some lotion to make it stretchy. Okay, so let me add in our lotion and mix. Mix really good. Sorry guys, that's Audrey playing with the fart putty. Okay, so let's add some more. Okay, so pour a little more activator. Let's up. Okay. Okay, probably don't need a lot, but this amount. Okay, good. Okay, guys, we're telling you this recipe actually works because we actually have the slime, but yeah, see guys, it really works. Hold on. Okay, so it takes a little bit of time, but that's okay. Okay. So guys, it looks like it's still gooey and wobbly. Can you guys see that? Wait, hold on. Can you guys even see that? That's okay. Jiggly. So jiggly. Okay, so I finished the few things. Stop. So he's got this the light. Okay, guys, so we're gonna do it right here. Over here. So you guys can see way better. So guys, I'm gonna show you. See, it's a little slimy, but see, hold on. Okay. Because you're mixing it way too fast. Okay, so guys, you have to mix it kind of slow for this kind. Let's get some. Like mix it in the spot and then it starts to fall. I guess I was mixing too fast. Oh, yeah. More.
So you gotta mix it in a circular formation. And whenever you add the activator, mix it in that spot and it'll start to go.
Do I need to go get more?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna mix while you get it. Okay. Wait. Okay, so I'll mix. Okay, so we're just gonna mix it like Vanessa said, and I said you did fine. So, let's see. Got pudding. Yeah, that's what was making those noises. and comment down below if you like it, and if you don't. Just it can be. I want you guys to give this video a big thumbs up, like Audrey said. And if you don't like it, just say a nice comment. Just say, "I'm sure maybe next time you would get it." Don't be rude, please. 'Cause I haven't been rude to any of you guys. And see, guys, it's kind of forming. I think this is coming. It's good, guys. Looking goopy. Get more. Hold on. Let's see what it is. Put one. Okay, so guys, she has more activator. Yeah, see, guys, it's forming. Now I'm gonna let Vanessa mix. Yeah, guys, you see the chunkin man. If you want to zoom in on that, you can go ahead. You can see the chunks. You can see the chunks in the. So yeah, guys, you can go ahead and comment down below. And I'm gonna go ahead and pour some more activator right more. No, that's a little too much. So I'm just gonna keep on mixing in a circular form. See that one.